Meaning of fission.
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 Fission. Fission is a nuclear reaction in which the nucleus of an atom is split into two or more smaller nuclei and releases a large amount of energy. This process can occur spontaneously, but it is typically induced through the use of a neutron. Fission is the process used in nuclear power plants to generate electricity, as the energy released can be harnessed to produce steam and drive turbines. However, fission can also lead to the production of radioactive waste materials and carries the risk of nuclear accidents if not carefully controlled.